Hi guys, this is Hardest Info channel. Today I want to show you how to add remove magnification on your ALCATEL 1B 2022. To add remove magnification on it, we press on the settings option and now look for accessibility, where we have our magnification right there. We press there and we must switch on to turn on it. Confirm I got it, and now we have this main icon. When we press on it, we can zoom our screen by tap. To change position of our zoom, we must use two finger and scrolling about our phone in which side you want. To turn off it, we press on our person icon on the right corner. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.